In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert 3D to 2D drawing in AutoCAD. If you've built a 3D model and now need clean, accurate line work for detailing, dimensions, or printing, the fastest workflow is to create a 2D projection of your model using the flatshot command. Think of it as capturing what you see on screen and turning it into a tidy, editable 2D block. Start by navigating to the view you want to represent. Common choices are top for a plan, front for an elevation or any orthographic view that shows the face you care about. Take a moment here to frame your model the way you want it to appear in 2D. Pan and zoom so the geometry sits comfortably in the view. And make sure you are looking straight on rather than at an angle if you want a true orthographic result. The current view direction is exactly what Flatshot will use, so what you see is what you'll get. Next, type Flatshot in the command line and press Enter. AutoCAD will open the Flatshot dialog. This command projects your visible 3D geometry into flat line work, based on the view you set a moment ago. It's reliable, quick, and ideal for top-down or front-facing views, where you want sharp outlines without the complexity of setting up layouts. In the dialog, select Insert as New Block. Choosing this option bundles the resulting 2D projection into a single block as soon as it's created. That keeps the line work organized, lets you move or copy it easily, and prevents accidental edits to the original 3D model. It's a neat, non-destructive way to keep modeling and drafting in the same file without getting tangled. Now click Create. AutoCAD will return you to the drawing so you can place the new 2D block. Click in an open area near your model to drop it in. You'll see a crisp flattened representation of the geometry exactly as it appeared in your chosen view. Because it's a block, it's simple to position alongside other views or reuse elsewhere. If at any point you need to tweak individual lines, you can edit the block or convert it to regular line work later. But keeping it as a block is great for consistency. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.